In this video, you'll learn how to upload your CV on Indeed so employers can easily find and contact you. We'll move through the process step by step, keeping it simple, clear, and beginner friendly. By the end, your CV will be saved to your profile and ready to be used for job applications. Let's start on the Indeed home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your existing details or create an account first if you don't have one yet. Once you're on the home dashboard, take a moment to look around so you know where things are. You should see options related to job searches, saved jobs, and your account. From here, the first thing you want to do is head over to your account section and then open your profile page. Usually you can find this by looking for your account icon or your name at the top of the screen. Click on that and then choose the profile option. Your profile page is where Indeed keeps all your information that employers might see, such as your work history, skills, and of course your CV or resume. Once your profile page is open, look for the option that says Upload Resume or Upload CV. This is the button you'll use to add your file directly to Indeed. It may be near the top of the profile or in a section specifically for your resume. Take your time to locate it, then click on that upload option. When you click Upload Resume, a file browser window will open on your computer or device. Here, you need to choose the CV file you want to upload. Before you select it, it's a good idea to make sure your CV is saved in a common format, like PDF or Word, and that the file name is clear and professional. For example, using your name and the word CV or resume in the file name can help keep things organized. Browse to the folder where your CV is saved, then click on the correct file to highlight it. Double check that you've chosen the right version, especially if you have multiple drafts or older copies saved. Once you're sure you've selected the correct file, confirm the upload in the file browser window. This is usually done by clicking an open or choose button depending on your device. After you confirm, Indeed will begin uploading your CV to your profile. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and the size of the file. When the upload is complete, you should see your resume listed or displayed on your profile page. Take a moment to review what appears. Make sure the file name looks right, and if Indeed shows a preview, quickly scan it to confirm everything looks as expected. At this point, your CV is successfully uploaded to Indeed and attached to your profile. You can now use it quickly when applying for jobs, and employers who view your profile can see your most up-to-date information. If you ever need to make changes, you can update the file on your computer and repeat this same process to upload a newer version. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the home dashboard into your account and profile page, clicked the upload option, and chosen your CV file to confirm the upload. You're now ready to start applying for roles with your CV stored safely on Indeed.